Somewhere in America, something unspeakable is growing. Meet zoogloea, nature's way of saying, good luck with that. It multiplies like a jackrabbit in springtime. And yup, it's definitely inside your drain pan. At 4:59 p.m., it prepares for its nightly takeover. But at exactly 5 p.m., justice arrives. NeverClog engages, and zoogloea panics. Next stop, the pipes. This is not your daddy's childhood water park. It flies through the P-trap, where dreams go to die, and into the tank, right where it belongs. NeverClog doesn't store problems, it eliminates them. Your home is now zoogloea-free. You're welcome. AC NeverClog. We suck, so your AC blows right on time. AC NeverClog.com. Do it now.